What's going on, guys? This is Drew with Drew Drives at Grubbs Family Dealerships, and today we're going for a drive in this 2025 Lexus IS 350 F Sport. This vehicle has a 3.5-liter naturally aspirated V6 with 311 horsepower and 280 pound-feet of torque, mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission. So these are very popular cars. Anytime I've made a video on any IS 350 F Sport, it's very popular, regardless of the model year. And I'm excited to get a video on this 2025 model today. And these sell super quick. As I said, people love this thing. They sell really, really fast in the used market. It's a great car. It's a great daily driver with great styling. I love the F Sport gauge cluster. The infotainment is definitely a bit outdated, but honestly, it does the job. You have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. That's all that really matters. You have heated steering wheel, heated seats, and ventilated seats. This interior design has been out for a really, really long time in the IS and RC. Actually, I don't think they make the RC anymore, but yeah, the IS. But as I said, it does the job. They made little tweaks here and there over time. You have a reverse camera with 360 view, which is cool. This one does not have the dynamic handling package or something. I believe that's what it's called. So it doesn't have Sport Plus, but it does have Sport, Eco, Normal, and Sport modes. We'll be driving in Sport mode for the drive. You have an F Sport badge over there. Center console storage. There is no wireless charging tray or anything like that. That would be nice. But as I said, this interior is a really old design, so I don't think there's really any place to put a wireless charging tray, unless if they decided to put it in there. But you won't be able to access your phone that way, so I guess it makes sense. You have a sunroof, and this is the black interior. Today I'm wearing my Tag Heuer Carrera. I don't think I've ever worn it in any of my videos before. If anyone's wondering what this watch is, because people always comment what other watch I wear, which is a Tag Heuer Formula 1. But let's go walk around this car and see what it looks like. It's finished in the white exterior. Looks really, really good. And you have the chrome wheels. F Sport badges on the side. Really nice daytime running lights, and you have the black Lexus spindle grille. I think the spindle grille looks quite good, especially on the sedans. On some of the SUVs, it looks a little weird because of the proportions, but on this car, it looks nice. Here are the rear seats on this car. I made a video on the IS 500 recently, if you want to take a look, if you guys want to check that out. And I also uploaded a video on an RC 350 F Sport 2017 model the other day, and an RCF. So a lot of F Sport videos on my channel recently. The 350 will give you dual outlet exhaust. If you get an IS 500 though, it'll have quad outlet exhaust with the stacked tips. Here's the trunk. It's a good looking car. MSRP on these is like 53 or 54,000. I think it can go up to 57 or 58 if you get an all-wheel drive. But this is a pre-owned 2025 with 13,000 miles, and it's listed roughly around a $48,000 range, so pretty good discount off of the MSRP. Yeah, the reason why these are very popular cars is, as I said, the styling. They sound good too. Like the IS 500 sounds mental, but this car sounds really nice too. And they're very reliable. It's a very classy sedan. See that? It sounds very, very nice. Naturally aspirated engines always sound so good. Seamless acceleration, just glides along the road. sounds so good. And plus, like, the paddles are nice shift paddles. They're big shift paddles, so it's satisfying to click it and change your gears. It's a good feeling, you know? Let's put it in regular mode and let the car shift on its own now. So yeah, like, I mean, off the line, this thing isn't like a speed demon or anything. Like, I made a IS350 F Sport, what is it, acceleration, like, short a while back, and a lot of people were, you know, complaining of, oh, or not, or like, oh, this car's so slow. But then some people commented, that's not the premise of the vehicle. It's quick for daily driving, but it's not meant to be like some crazy speed demon. I think it has more than enough power for what it is, right? If you want more power, you can get an IS500. And even that car is not like insanely fast. It's really quick. Like, if you compare it to like an M340i or something, that'll dust it off the line. But like the overall driving experience of the IS500, it's I think it does 0 to 60 in like 4.5 seconds or something like that. But yeah, it's pretty quick, and it sounds absolutely insane. Like, just hearing that naturally aspirated V8 roaring is so good. It's just so rewarding to drive that car. Even the RCF, like, man, the RCF was awesome. Anytime I drive a Lexus with a naturally aspirated V8, I'm always like, goodness, it sounds so good. Like the sports ones, RCEF, IS500, LC500. I need to get a point of view test drive on an LC500. I haven't driven one of those in like 3 years. I need to get my hands on another one. Yeah, this car drives great. Typical IS350, as I said. Not a whole lot has changed. Sporty suspension, drives well, feels very controlled. The car feels very well made and robust. Overall, very smooth ride, very comfortable. Seats are very comfortable too. They're in like kind of like a bucket shape, so they give you great lateral support, gives you good comfort for your lower back and side of your back. and also your legs, like your hips, they'll feel comfortable in with the way the seats are rounded on the bottom, which is nice. So that helps. It's a good seat. It's very important for a car to have good seats, because otherwise you're gonna have you can have so much back pain if you have like a car with terrible seats. That's why like seats are very important to me in whatever car I'm getting, whether it's a daily driver or a sporty car. I don't care. I need to have good seats, especially because for me it's really hard for me to get comfortable in a car seat because of the way my body is like built. I'm 6'2" and I have really long legs, so I have like so it's like it's disproportionate. So I need to have really good cushioning, otherwise my lower back will hurt like crazy. So this car definitely feels good in terms of the comfort. Overall, very nice 2025 IS350F Sport. Great daily driving car, looks great, drives well, sounds good. But thanks for watching another video of Drew Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and be sure to check out the link to Grubb's family dealerships in the description below if you would like to shop for your own IS350F Sport.